success unlock. In stock market trading or investing, you need to do some data analysis, like technical analysis, chart patterns, trends, momentum, fundamental analysis, risk-reward ratio. You will have to determine when to enter and when you exit. In stock market trading or investing, you have probability based on your analysis. In gambling, you base it on chance. There are two types of gambling. One depends purely on luck, like slot machine, roulette, lotto. 2 depends on skill, on where professional gamblers participate, like poker, blackjack, mahjong, going against other players who are skilled as well. Can you name me other gambling game that requires certain skills?